Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. In this video guys, we are going to talk about guys how to on do not disturb setting in Vivo phone. As you want to on guys, do not disturb. So as you can on, and guys now let's see how to on do not disturb in Vivo phone. So before starting video friends, I want to tell you, if you're new in my channel and you are watching my video first time, so first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my videos. So guys, first of all guys, open your phone setting and guys click on this sound setting to on do not disturb, and guys do not disturb, and guys turn on now, so it's only get noticed by important people and apps. So do not disturb will on in your Vivo phone guys, you can see. So I hope friends you have understood how to do not disturb, and guys after on guys you cannot listen guys your ringtone and guys message to and guys and dial pad tone like that. So I hope friends you have understood how to do not disturb in Vivo phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching my video. Now we will meet on next video with new topic. Before going, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.